Hi Year 6. Today we're going to be looking at, if I just have a look over here, some examples on adding decimals. So if I come back to our Walt, Tib and our Wilf, remember Walt is we are learning to add decimal numbers. Tib is this is because sometimes we don't have a calculator and we need to add up our shopping and our measuring lengths. And what I'll be looking for is digits one under each other and the decimals directly under each other in a vertical format. On the board over here is where I have numbers one under each other in their houses. As you can see, the decimals are one under each other, and then it's just straightforward adding like what we would do. When we add decimals, what I do is I say, put the decimal down straight away in your answer. And then remember, I keep the plus sign on this side, so it reminds me to start adding on the right-hand side of my number. 6 plus 8 is 14. I can't put 14 in the one house, so I can put that and regroup my 10. I can make a 10 here. 9 and 1 is 10 plus 3 is 13. Regroup. 7 and 5 is 12 and 1 is 13. Regroup. And then 2 and 4 or 4 and 2 is 6 and 1 is 7. And that would be my answer. In our second example, I've used a dollar sign because often we have, relating with a decimal is money. When we're at the shop, we're adding up our groceries on our telephone. If we can't, we can use paper to add it. And we do it exactly the same. Again, decimal down. 5 plus 0 is 5. 6 and 7 is 13. Regroup. 8 and 1 is 9 and 1 is 10. Regroup. 9 and 1 is 10. 4 and 7 is 11 plus 1 is 12. And then 2 and 1 is 3 and 5 is 8. Don't forget your dollar sign because the dollar sign was in our example. And that's how we add with decimals. So coming back to here, what were we learning to do? Add our decimal numbers. This is because sometimes we don't have a calculator and we need to add up our shopping and our measuring lengths. And what I was looking for is digits one under the other and the decimals directly under each other in a vertical format. I mentioned that. As you can see, they're all under each other. If I draw that line, there would be a line there. Have fun learning. Those are in your booklets for this week. And you have quite a few of those. No examples on the board today, just an example for you to work out of your booklet. Have fun learning. See you, love you, bye.